Alright, we got
25 are still active
Moving up
in the
there.
AO.
there's people at the orange mark.
Can I use a UAV?
Loadout drop headed your way.
Yeah, use it.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Oh, there's no one up here. Okay. There's people coming up the hill, you guys. Like southwest, coming up the hill. Can someone mark the dude that's way inside the circle at the edge of the freaking map? There's like one, yeah, there's one there.
Got it.
There you go.
We should got my last.
Let's go bang these guys. So, follow me. They're running up this road, just at this ledge. We're gonna catch them. Where the hell are they? To the left somewhere, I think.
You're losing ground.
Ground to action.
There you go, right below us.
UAV entering the AO.
Right below us. Right below us. There's another one. Downed him. There we go. There we go. Was that a down or did you kill him?
X-ray spotted.
Downed. Killed him. Eliminated. But he has a team somewhere, I think.
UAV is bingo fuel.
All right, get ready, you guys.
Overhead.
There's one guy under here. One guy under here. Nice. Get him. Is that a team? There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, we're gonna run in. Yeah, we swept them. Run in. We're gonna play the edge of the circle. Keep going. No time to stop. No time to stop. Just ahead. 344. Alright. Play this crevice or play this ravine. Mark our squad to the right. Here, I marked them. I marked them. There's someone to our left. I'm gonna try to blast them. There's someone at the edge of the gas coming in. Oh, they popped them.
There's less than 10
Hostiles in the
They're
area.
over there. Yeah, I see him. Is he dead?
Hostile sighted.
Downed him. Downed him.
Target's
There's people up the hill. People up the hill. Don't shoot too much if you're not shooting at something. Okay, cool. There's people up the hill. We do have circle advantage on them. Go in a circle. Play the ravine, get low, play the ravine. Play this ravine that we have. Nice.
You're out of the circle. It's time to run.
It's only 8 left, it's 3 of us, and there's other people who are being really sneaky. Check 360, don't get caught.
I already popped my UAV.
Do we have any more?
No.
And don't clump. Don't get swept from our left side, so I'm gonna check left. I see him.
Moving up there.
Broke armor. Alright, we good? Nice, good kill. Oh, I see one right there.
You've got gas inbound.
Contact.
Safe zone relocated.
Team wipe, team wipe.
4 targets
3v2,
remaining.
3v2, you guys, 3v2. You see him up there? I see him. I hit him, I tagged him. They ran up. Let's get position, get into the circle before they do. Hug left. Okay. Keep pinging.
Still there?
Yep, I see him. Keep pinging.
Gas is inbound. Hostiles in the area. X-ray spotted.
Down one.
X-ray spotted.
Copy.
Hang on. Never mind that.
Keep spraying him down. He's the last guy.
You made it
Nice.
through and took the win. Well done.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, shit! That was sick!
Let's go. Good shooting.